Features. Seahorses have several distinguishing features that help identify them. 1. Unique body shape. Seahorses have a distinct body shape characterized by a long, slender snout, a curved body, and a prehensile tail. Their head shape resembles that of a horse, hence the name, seahorse. 2. Bony plates. Unlike most fish, seahorses have a series of bony plates instead of scales. These plates are arranged in rings around their body, providing them with a rigid structure. 3. Vertical positioning. Seahorses swim in a vertical position, with their head facing upward and their tail pointing downward. This vertical posture is a key characteristic of seahorses. 4. Camouflaging abilities. Seahorses have the ability to change their color and blend in with their surroundings, similar to chameleons. This helps them hide from predators and ambush their prey. 5. Dorsal fin. Seahorses have a single, large dorsal fin located on their back. This fin is used for propulsion and steering as they move through the water. 6. Pectoral fins. Seahorses have small, transparent pectoral fins located on either side of their head. These fins are used for stability and steering. 7. Unique mouth and snout. Seahorses have a tubular mouth at the end of their long snout. This specialized mouth allows them to suck in small prey, such as tiny crustaceans and small fish. 8. Lack of pelvic fins. Unlike most fish, seahorses lack pelvic fins, which are typically found on the ventral side of the body. This further distinguishes them from other fish species. These distinctive features collectively make seahorses easily identifiable and unique among marine creatures. They are fascinating and delicate creatures known for their intricate courtship rituals and male pregnancy, where the males carry and give birth to the young.